Recursion tree method. Today I will discuss the recursion tree method. This method is used to solve the recurrence equation. There are another method also to solve the recurrence equation, like master method, like iteration method, like substitution method, and recursion tree method. So in the recursion tree method, first we have to draw the tree from the recurrence equation given to us. Suppose I draw the tree and this is the tree drawn by the recurrence equation. So here I have to count the level. This is level 1, this is level 2, suppose this is level 3 and up to the level n. So at each level I have to calculate the cost 1, cost 2, cost 3, and at the last level the cost is n. This is the leaf node, and after leaf node there is no further expansion. Now what we have to do, I have to calculate the total cost. Total cost in this case is equal to cost at first level, cost at second level, cost at third level, up to the cost at n level. So this gives the total cost, and this is the solution of the recurrence equation. This total cost is the solution of recurrence equation. Now suppose I am taking now the example. Suppose Tn is equal to 4t n by 2 plus n. I now solve this recurrence equation with the help of recursion tree method. So for this I have to make a root node. The root node represent the cost, which is n, and here I have to represent two branches, 2t n by 2, 2t n by 2. So the total recurrence equation is Tn equal to n plus 4t n by 2, 2t plus 2t equal to 4t. And now I have to calculate the cost for these two levels. So I calculate for n by 2 argument. So suppose this is equation 1. In equation 1 I replace n equal to n by 2, and after replacing n equal to n by 2 I get here 40 n by 4 plus n by 2. Now I have to multiply this equation by 2. After multiplying the equation by n by 2 I get 80 n by 4 plus n, because 2 divided by 2 is cancelled. Now I have to make a tree for this, and here I have to put the value and redraw the tree. After redrawing the tree I get n here and here, and now the two branches 40 n by 2, 40 n by 2, and here two branches 40 n by 2, 40 n by 2, and here the total cost is n. Here the total cost is 2n. Now I have to solve the recurrence equation for this, for n by 4. Here n by 4, here n by 4, here n by 4, and here n by 4. And see here, first the recurrence equation is given having the argument inside n by 2, and now after this n by 4, and now I have to solve the recurrence equation for this. And in the original equation now I replace n by 2 by n by 4. And in the original equation now I have to put the value for n by 4. 40 n by 4 equal to 40 n by 8 plus n by 4. I replace this n by 2 here, and n by 4 here, n by 4 means n by 8 here, and n by 4. Now I have to calculate the cost for this level, so I have to divide this by 4. After multiplying this by 4 I get here 16t n by 8 plus n, in this way. So now I have to put the value here. Now I have to redraw the tree again, and after redrawing the tree again I get in this way. And here second level nn, and now I have to put the value n, and here divided into 8t n by 8, 8t n by 8, here also 8t n by 8, 8t n by 8, similar in this way, n, or here 8t n by 8, 8t n by 8, here also 8t n by 8 and 8t n by 8. Now at the first level cost is n, at the second level cost is 2n, at the third level cost is 4n. This is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, and this is level 4. And in the similar way I can say the tree will terminate, and the termination of the tree I represent here t of 1, t of 1. So after this there is no further expansion. Now I have to calculate the total cost, and the total cost here is Tn equal to n plus 2n plus 4n up to this level. This level cost I represent here, look, n, here look 2 raised to power n, here look 2 raised to power 2n. So I can say here this level will be 2 raised to power I tn. So here n 2 raised to power. Now I have to write the total tn equal to n plus 2n plus 4n up to 2 raised to power I. For this level I calculate 2 raised to power I, because I suppose here this is the ith level, so I represent 2 raised to power I tn. Now this I is unknown, I have to calculate this I, and now from the previous calculation I noted here inside argument n by 2, inside argument n by 4, inside argument n by 8. So what I conclude here, I can write here n divided by 2 raised to power I equal to t1, because the tree is terminating, so I can equate these two. So if function are same, so I equate the inside argument, and after this I get this one. And now I have to calculate this ith unknown term. This ith unknown term is calculated by the method n equal to 2 raised to power I. Suppose take the log n both the side. Here I take I, here I take log 2. And now take the LG. LG means log with base 2 I. Here this will give you 1 here. This LG2 is equal to 1. So I in this case is LGN. So I calculate the I here, I put the value of I here, n plus 2 raised to power n plus 2 raised to power 2n up to 2 raised to power LGN. Okay, now I take the n common, 1 plus 2 raised to power n, 2 raised to power 2 up to LGN. And after this the solution is 2 raised to power LGN minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. And in this way I calculate n into n minus 1 divided by 1 and n square minus n, and this I can write down n of square. So this is the solution of this recurrence equation, and this is the AP, and AP represent by 1 plus x square up to x raised to power n. So the solution sum is equal to x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. That's why I take this one. So this is the solution. Thanks for listening my video, and hope you will like this, and this is very useful.